again with another video. This is called Bougie on a Budget. So basically these nails right here, they're breast ones, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, you know, doing Bougie on a Budget. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell as well. So let's get into it. These nails I did get from Amazon. Comes in this cute little box. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And then I don't use these that come with it because your nails just gonna fall off, sis. So what you want to use, I like to use, it's the brush on nail glue by Kiss. Comes in this little thing right here. Boom. I'll also leave it in the description down below. Let's get started. You can't even tell. You cannot tell the press ones. But I would like to thank you for tuning in to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back soon with more videos. Of course, I upload every Thursday or Sunday, either weekly or bi-weekly. So stay tuned. Hey.
The key, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Pop everything, you know it. King already, you